Hey guys, welcome back. Let's think and choose. Again, we're back with more abstract reasoning puzzles, and let's see how we are gonna do these new puzzles. So this is an abstract reasoning question or puzzle. So during or when you want to solve an abstract reasoning question, you have to consider or figure out first that whether it is a pattern or sequence. If you don't know what is a pattern or sequence, just go to our previous video, especially the first video on abstract reasoning, and then I explained there what is a sequence and what is pattern, and then how to solve them as well. But I will explain it here as well, but you might get something. But if you are really needed, you can go just and have a look at there. So in this question, as you see, the colors are not changing. It's just brown, and then again brown, and then blue, then black are all at the bottom. And what is changing is the colors are moving. They are moving one unit to the right. So each square is a unit. Just consider it's a unit, and then it's going to the right. And then we don't know what is the middle one, but we know what is the last one, and we have to use our knowledge what will be in place of the question mark. You have 10 seconds to think about it, and then I will let you know what's the answer. Yeah, the answer is C. But how it is C? As I said at the beginning, it's moving one unit to the right. So if in this one it moves one unit to the right, so it will be like this column, these two column, blue and black will be in here, and then this one is left. It doesn't have any place to go, so it will go to this one in here, as you see. So it is coming in here, and then it goes in there, and then again if this shape moves one unit to the right, and then we will get this shape. So it's not only the only option that you see. It doesn't work on that one, so you have to look at the after that or before that to figure out whether it's right or not. If we just choose C, and then we go one unit to the right, and then we will get this shape. What about the other ones? They will not give us the correct answer, because here the colors change, blue and then brown and then black. But as you see, all the colors are the same, so we cannot just change the color. We have to go with the pattern. And then in here as well, so it's just blue and then black. As you see in the all shapes, blue and black are on top of each other, and then brown. Brown is missing, and it's going in this side. And then if we go one unit to the right again, we will get to this shape. Okay, this is another question. How we are gonna solve it? Again, we have to use our basic knowledge, pattern or sequence, and then we can do it. So sometimes you have to read the questions from the right or the left, and it's up to you which one makes sense more to you. So if you look at this one, if we read it from the left side, so this is pentagon and then a star, and then it's gonna be like expanded form, and then it's just a pentagon and then a star, and then here as well it's a circle and then it's again a pentagon. But what we are thinking of, we have to look at the shapes as well. So it can happen to go from here to that side, from right to left. You are gonna like collect them or pack them in one shape. So a circle is, and there is circle, there is pentagon, and then they are going to one shape, and then they go inside each other. Then in here as well, they're going to be packed in one shape. As we have a question in here, question mark in this part, so it's better to read it from the right side, go to the left. So we have to pack them in one. So there is like a plus sign, and then there is a pentagon, and then if they are gonna be plus together or packed together, what will be the answer? You have 10 seconds, then I will tell you the answer. We will discuss it. This question is not that hard, so the answer is B. How it's B? You see, you plus this one with that one, so it will be B, and then we have to look at the shapes and the sides as well, and the perfect shape, the bottom and then the base and the base and then the sides, everything are just the same as B, so it should be B. Why it's not C? Because if you see, it's somehow like upside down, the pentagon is upside down, so it's not the answer. You have to look at the shapes and then the sides and then their faces, and they are so important to solve a question. Let's go to another question. There are cute shapes like laugh hearts and circles and then squares there. What will be in fourth option? We have the fifth one as well. So again, we have to look at the sequence or the pattern or everything it has. For the first one, if you see, there is 2 circles and then 2 laugh hearts and then 1 square. And then the next one is the laugh hearts move. They go a bit like anti-clockwise, and then there is 2 squares now and then 1 circle. Look at the other one, it's again going clockwise. Direction is really important. Let's just draw it like it's going in an anti-clockwise direction. It's going that way. Sorry for my drawing. Oops. And then again it's going for anti-clockwise. All of them should go to anti-clockwise, so it's like a pattern they're following. So in this one again, they moved anti-clockwise or rotate, and then we have 1 square, 2 squares, 1 laugh heart, and then 2 circles. What will be in here? We have the last one. The last one is 2 circles, 2 squares per 1 laugh heart. So what will be in place of the question mark? Look at the options that you have. Think about its rotation. What will be after that, and then choose wisely. Here's the answer, C. How it is C, if we see how it is C, this one is rotating again, so now we have to lose 1 square again, and then the laugh heart should come instead of that at the very beginning, and then these circle should be after this, the laugh heart, and then this is the square, which is again the square, and then this is the circle, which is again the circle, and then the laugh heart is gonna be repeated because you just lose that one, so it's gonna turn for the laugh heart. There is another solutions as well. If you see, there is laugh heart and laugh heart again, but we don't have any of the 2 like shapes together in any of these pictures that we are given, so we cannot choose B because the square and square are together. We cannot do that. And also in the first option, it's right, we have the laugh heart at the very beginning in here, but again there is square, but we just lose one of the squares. It should not be again there, and now it's turn for laugh heart. So think about it, it's not that hard. Just look at the patterns and then what options do you have. Think of the numbers of the shapes you have and the counts of the shapes that you have. This is our last example for this video. As you see, we have 3 columns of stars with different colors of black and white, and then they are randomly in different spots. And then how is this gonna work? How we're gonna find the next one? As you see, this arrow shows that this one is gonna be the next one, and it's kind of, we have to find what is the last one. But if you have a closer look, you see a line, a black line there, and then there. So it should mean something. It's not just randomly there and then meaning nothing. You see, you have them in all of the pictures you have, and then you have that in all of your options that you have. We see, if you look at this like a plus or a minus, we can work it out. So I'm gonna go with plus. I think if they are added together, So these two column, this column and this column is added, and then giving us this one. So two colors which are the same, two black ones are added, and then it will be a white one. Again, two black give one white, and then black and white give a black, black and white again give a black. So you can kind of make a conclusion from this that same colors give you white, and different colors give you black. These the last row in here is gonna be the first row and the other one, and the second row is gonna be a random pattern again, so that will be a new one. So you don't have to worry about it, you just have to look at the answers that you have. Same color white, different color black, same color white, different color black. And then again we use the product somehow in the first row of the next one, and then we have same color white, same color white, same color white, same color white, everything is white. And then the next one should have the first column of all of them white, and then the next one can be any, it can be any of these rows that you see, but what is important is also the answer. You have to look at the answer, whether the answer is right or not. Is it following your pattern that you found, same color white, different color black? Is it following that pattern or not? You have 10 seconds starting now. Choose your answer. Absolutely, the answer is A. Why it's A, I'm gonna just explain it for you. So same color white, if we look at this one, same color black. No, that's not what we concluded. We conclude from these shapes that same color should be white, same color black, same color black. No, it's not gonna have it work. And the last one, you see this is all black, but we should have only all of them white at the first row. So these two answers, these are not gonna be our answers at all, because we know it from the last row of the second shape, it should be all white. So this one and this one is gonna work for us. The next one, the second row are the same in these pictures, but they normally are not the same, but they are. So we have to look at the answers. White and white, or the same color, should give us white. This is giving us a white, but that's not giving us white. Different color, white and black give us black, white and black again give us black, black, black. So definitely A is the right answer for this question. It's always think out of the box how it's gonna work. If you're not going to go with adding or minusing, so just go with same colors and follow the pattern.